Welcome to the project demonstration of basaltic survey of safeguarding structures. So the main purpose of this project is we are going to detect the vibrations in a particular direction. So here we are going to get the vibrations from four directions. One is north, east, south and west. So here whenever the nearby if we are going to place these four sensors in a construction, so nearby the construction is there any like blastings or construction is going on or mining is going on, then from that particular direction the respective vibration sensor will read the vibrations and it will inform to the blink application if those vibrations are crossed the threshold value. And also we are going to log the period of time vibrations into the ThingSpeak. So there we are going to use the two cloud services. One is a blink application to get the live alerts, and another is a historical data storing periodical data in ThingSpeak cloud platform. So anyways, we are using the inbuilt Wi-Fi module of ESP8266 Node MCU modules 4, and each and every module interface with the DHT11, so that is digital humidity temperature module along with vibration sensor. So DHT11 sensor interfaced at the D0 pin of our Node MCU, and the D3 pin is interfaced to our vibration sensor. So we can interface anywhere we want on this Node MCU board for this DHT11, but coming to the vibration sensor, we should interface that at D3 pin as it's a interrupt pin inbuilt for the Node MCU. So from that interrupt timer pin only we can get the counts per particular duration. So now in our project we are going to get the vibrations per second, and so the per second vibrations if increases above 100 this vibrations, then it will send the audible alerts and notification alerts to the blink application. And also for every 20 to 25 seconds duration it will calculate and it will store that vibrations and upload that to the ThingSpeak cloud platform. So periodically is going to be 25 seconds, and for alerting purpose is a 1 second duration. So these two sensors for this west side, and these two sensors for south side, and these two sensors for east and north side. So the whole system driven by one power supply unit. So that is we are providing 230 volts input to this power supply section. So it has the stages like transformer and transformer, rectifier and filter and regulator. So the first stage is 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC step down transformer with 1 amp rating, and that AC is input to this regulated power supply board. The next is rectifier. So here we can see the 4 diodes are connected in a manner of bridge rectifier, so that we will get 12 volts pulsating DC, and that pulsating DC will get smoothened by this smoothing capacitor 1000 microfarad. We will get pure DC voltage of with 12 volts. And we need 5 volts to operate this Node MCU module along with sensors and with high current, as we are getting only one source from this. So that's why we are going to use LM2576 regulator, which can handle up to 3 amps power with 5 volt, so that these Node MCUs will get the constant power while uploading the data to the ThingSpeak and the blink applications, and also the sensors will work without any interrupt. So before switching on this kit, so let me explain one more thing. These two boards are breadboards. So just in order to distribute the 5 volts power supply throughout the input, output and controlling units. So here just we are distributing plus and minus 5 volts power supply. Before switching on this kit, the first step is disconnect this cable, as it provides the power supply for the sensors. Initially we should provide maximum power for Node MCUs, then it will connect to the hotspot. Then after connection with the hotspot, then you can give the power supply. The next step is go to hotspot settings in your phone, change the hotspot name to project PROJECT 5102 without any space and without any capital letter, and the password should be 123456789, and then on the hotspot and data. So by using your hotspot and data only, the system will communicate to the blink as well as ThingSpeak. So then log into the blink application. So these are the LED indications. Once is there any alert detected, then you will get the alerts into the blink app. And the next, so this is a ThingSpeak. So it has the data for So let us see, we can see that north vibrations and north temperature and east, so like that east temperature and it's south and west. So as we said that temperature is live and coming to the vibrations are periodical time. So after these setups you can provide the power supply to the system. So once you switch on the gates, so there we can see the device is connected to the hotspot mobile phone. So there we can see 4 devices connected. Then connect the power supply to the system. Right. Where the sensor is getting power supply now. So now let us see the live detection of vibrations. So this I am doing the vibrations for the south side. So if vibrations are detected, then so south vibrations are high. So in the same manner, let us go with the north side. So these vibrations alerts will be sent till the system upload the particular data into the cloud. So ThingSpeak. So it will take maximum of 25 seconds. See, we are getting the at a time north and south. So like this. So in the same manner for the 4 sides also we will get the vibration alerts. Right. So when we can see there is no like icon for this south end. It's indicated as the data got uploaded to the ThingSpeak platform. So you can see this data. So when you click on the point, so there we can see the how much of vibrations or temperature is there, along with date and time. Right. So now if you want to get the fresh data to be uploaded, then we need to go to the initially to download that data import and export. There go to download. So then data will be uploaded in a CSV format and open that. So there we get the data in Excel sheet format. Right. So it consists of number of entry IDs and the field 1, field 2 nothing but north side, temperature as well as vibrations like this. So after downloading the data, you can erase that. So we got the backup. So then for erasing the data, so go to channel settings. Only follow these things, don't do any other things more. So if you change any other things, then the system will not accept the data by changes occurred. So once the only do clear channel here, channel settings, clear channel. Okay, so clear channel, it will pop up. Okay. Right, channel got cleared. Now go to private view. So private view to check the live graphical presentation, channel settings to clear channel, data import export to download the historical data. So the old data got erased. So wait for again 20 seconds. As we know that the ThingSpeak in open source like free demonstration purpose, it will accept only 15 seconds duration data. So we got the new data here. Right. So let us see one more side, vibration alerts. So let us make the vibrations for east side. So the blink alerts will get in 2 seconds of duration. Should be more vibrations. Right. So we got the east vibrations high. So like that we can get the west vibrations high also. Right. East vibrations high. Right.